Respected Honorable Prime Minister, Respected Honorable Minister for Electronics and IT Communications and Law and Justice, Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad ji, respected Guru Professor Raj Reddy ji, respected Shri Mukesh Ambani ji, respected Shri Arvind Krishna ji, and my senior respected colleague Shri Amitabh Kant ji. I thank you all for gracing the inaugural session and setting such a wonderful tone for the Global AI Summit RAISE 2020. The addresses have been so inspiring, and I am sure all the participants would have benefited tremendously from the futuristic, visionary and fundamental aspects of what all lies ahead of us through artificial intelligence. The pioneering work that is being done is just the tip of the iceberg, and many more transformational aspects are in store. I especially thank our Honorable Prime Minister for mentioning the nationwide digital platforms like Aadhaar and UPI, and so many ways in which AI can bring transformation into education, into social, economic, government sectors, benefit children, youngsters, Divyangs, benefit all our citizens and businesses. Sir, I thank you for sharing your inspiring vision along with your expectation that we will make India a global hub for AI. It's an extremely motivating factor for all of us. And sir, we assure you that we will do our best to make sure that this vision is put into practice and is realized fully. We are grateful to our Honorable Minister for Electronics and IT, Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad ji. He has empowered us to take on a large number of initiatives in AI, especially his focus on inclusive AI and making sure that every single person in India gets benefited is very inspiring for all of us. Under his guidance, we have implemented world-class platforms, and we assure you that we will spare no efforts to implement national program on AI with a Team India spirit and in close collaboration with the industry, startups and the academia. We are extremely grateful to Turing Awardee and Padma Bhushan Shri Professor Raj Reddy ji for sharing his deep insights on AI. He has been one of the earliest pioneers and leading thinkers of artificial intelligence. Many of the current leaders in AI across all the continents have been his students. His rich experience in this field will serve as a wonderful beacon to guide us, and his efforts especially to bring digital technology to the people on the other side of the digital divide, the ones who do not have the benefits of technology today, are really exemplary. His presence here today is very inspiring. Thank you, sir. We are thankful to Shri Mukesh Ambani ji, Chairman Reliance and Jio Platforms, for his presence here today. His immense contribution in the digital space is well known, and the timeliness of his ventures speaks for his vision and leadership. We are extremely grateful to Chairman IBM Shri Arvind Krishna ji for gracing the occasion. As the Chief CEO of IBM, he has made India proud. He represents the stellar contribution that Indian talent continues to make at the frontiers of technology, cutting across countries. Under his leadership, IBM continues to grow stronger, and I'm sure it will contribute many innovations in the field of AI. I remain grateful to Shri Amitabh Kant for his presence and his constant support and guidance for all our efforts. I also thank the organizing team led by Shri Abhishek Singh for their tireless efforts to prepare for this global summit. We all look forward to the upcoming sessions, which include brilliant keynote speakers and thought-provoking panel discussions. I am sure they will be knowledge-enriching, and that this event will remain as a memorable experience for all the speakers and participants. Thank you all once again. Jai Hind.